Kevin from the Philippines, from Team Fuentes.
This is Taiwo from Mentis.
Michael from Team Pura. So let's have fun, let's enjoy, and good luck to all of us.
Starts with letter E. Emmanuel.
Yeah, this is the model from Team Champions.
Hello guys, I'm Renz. I'm from the Philippines. How many questions all in all? 5? 10?
Answers, everyone. I love the energy.
What is this? Don't have idea with this.
Champion. Yes, nice.
Wow. I think we have a champion already. No idea.
Everyone.
It's really good to be here. I think we made a good fight.
Thank you guys. It has been a long one. Congratulations to the champions. Indeed, you are the champion.
Thank you for this great experience. Yeah, we really have fun, having competition like this. So.
Thank you so much for this kind of event. Actually, it's very intense, and the questions are totally mind-boggling. Just like went back into college.
What's actually good in this tournament is about engagement. I think for the past 2.5 years I've been here with the business. I think we need more activities such as this.
Yeah, so as I was saying earlier, I want to thank the management for organizing this competition, and I also like to thank my team for choosing me to represent my team. And I want to thank every other person that participated in this competition. I actually enjoyed every bit of it, and I'm looking forward to more of this so that we can get to bond well, because I really had a nice time with everyone here.
Thank you, Andrew. And congratulations to you, Renz. You seem to have answers to questions that people have trouble understanding. So, yeah, great. And I wish even Kwere was here, because initially Kwere was the one who suggested this game. And of course, Felix and Sofiana took this forward and designed the whole thing. Andrew, your contribution cannot be disregarded. You actually gave a shape to it and conducted the actual experiment, the whole thing. And that, like Ren said, that was most important, that we know our colleagues now. A video on discussion and, talking to each other, more collaboration.
Yeah, like you've all said it all, and I'm very happy. I remember I told the team that we are so unfortunate that we are in a system that's all about CSAT, response rate, and the likes, And the logic behind, culture and leadership sometimes is there are more to things that actually contribute to those things, psychological, the mental stress and the likes. If you can find a balance to the fact that we are all happy, coming to work, it's going to have some positive influence, on our contributions, to the support that we're doing, right? And I love the fact that we are owing it. I told Andrew that, hey, it's not about how we want it to be. Let's do it how we feel like it's going to look like. And I'm very proud of the team. Thanks to everyone in that team, and thanks to all participants. Renz said one of the basic issues that we have. It's not about coming to meeting each other, right? There should be another way where maybe I'm a Philippine. I know that I have like cordial relationship with Renz in one way or the other outside the job. There should be more to the job, and I think that's what we're trying to create here. We're trying to create like a community that unite together, that see themselves as one, that they are happy to come to work. if I give you guys $1,000, you guys are going to spend it, right? But the feelings, the emotions attached, the relationship that you guys have built is more than, but I can assure you, aside from the $1,000 that he asked for, right, we have a great plan for the winners and for all the participants. I've pledged this. See, I'm part of you guys. I started as an engineer in this community, so I understand one of the basic problems that we're facing as an engineer, right? So it's very, very easy for me to relate and make some decisions and know where to actually channel my energy in. So, and I can assure you guys, we keep improving on this. We'll keep this kind of things. My joy is to see all of us being happy doing our job. Like my joy is, see all of us, we are a bit more united outside the job. There should be a way that we have our contact and people can actually link up on our connections. They can never say, maybe Renz is going to be the one that's going to determine my next job. Like I'm speaking to one of our ex-colleagues. His name is, what is his name? Arvin. He reached out to me and said, hey, Martin, blah, blah, blah. I'm now in Canada. I have this job and blah, blah, blah. What a lucrative job, right? But the first thing remains that he wouldn't have reached out to me, right, if I've been a bad person or if I don't have his contact, right? So creating connection outside the job, because this is not going to be your last job. Trust me. It could be that Andrew, Renz, David will be the person that's going to give me the link to my next job. And that's why, creating connections outside the job, having, good relationship, work relationship is very, very key. And I want everybody to key into this. It's more than the job. It's just like we trying to, connect with each other outside the job, try to be happy. And I'm pledging to that I will always do everything to make everybody happy. Right? It's going to be a wonderful experience for the winners. I believe Andrew, after this call, they are going to announce all the packages that are going to come with this contest. And I want to thank all the leads that actually, make sure that, they have a representative in the contest. Everyone is a winner, right? I appreciate everyone. So Andrew, let's see how we can actually, in one way or the other, put into consideration everyone that actually participate in the contest too, right? If there's a way we can actually put them into our plan, it's going to be a bit more motivating. So thank you, everyone. I'm happy to be part of this community. I'm happy to be part of the team that starts this. It's always in history that some people change the culture of our things. So we are changing the culture. It's not about Martin, it's about we, right? And we should all be proud of it that we are part of, the team that's making this happen. So thank you. Andrew, I'm looking forward to your recommendations. Trust me, I won't say no to anything, so we'll make everyone happy in our little way.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I have another meeting now. So thanks. Well done. Congrats, everyone. Congrats. Thanks.
Hey, Mike, are we in the same house? You have the same time, bro.
Looks like.